for the people who understand this concept that I'm about to teach you, they can make some serious changes in their life. What passive income is it's a system that you can actually automate and have running for you in the background without you having to continually work on it. All right, so the main way people think of earning money is trading their time for money, trading their physical labor or their knowledge of like consulting or coaching or like working hand in hand with somebody else or for someone else, trading that time for money. All right, but passive income, you put in the time up front to build something or set up a system, and then you can leverage even other people's products and services that pay commissions and stuff like that, or even your own products, such as setting up a system on Amazon, writing a book, buying real estate. There's a bunch of different ways, and in a minute I'll talk about my top 3 ways on how I do it and that I recommend you look into for starting. So let's start with number 3 and go up to number 1. My number 3 way of creating a passive income is creating your own product and putting it out into the marketplace that can sell for you. All right, now that could be like a Kindle book on Amazon. That could be your own course. If you know something really well, you could create a course and sell it online. If you have a trade or a skill or something like that, you could teach other people that are wanting to get into that. You could teach that into a package that people could buy and watch the videos, or like join a membership, or if you have like a niche community that you could have them pay for a monthly recurring membership, just stuff like that. Something that you can create on your own and systemize that. The second way that I recommend creating a passive income is actually leveraging other people's time. Now, a lot of people who have like professional services will actually pay like finder's fee or a commission for people who will bring them work. All right, so you could actually go find people who provide a service, and then you could find them leads, and when they buy from that person, the professional will pay you a commission. So that's one way of leveraging someone else's services. Another way is you can actually use different websites, and you can find people who provide services, and you could also find people who are looking for those services, become the middleman, and you can just upcharge from their service. That's one way you could do it. I don't personally do it that way, but you could do that, and it actually is a viable business model. An example of this would be like Trivago, a website that's a middleman that finds hotels providing, rooms, and then they connect you with the rooms, and they upcharge and they make some extra money off of that room. So it's not unethical. It's just a way, if you can create leads, the person's still making the same amount of money that they would, but you're also making a little bit of profit off of the top. And then of course, my number 1 way is affiliate marketing. I absolutely love affiliate marketing, and it's not MLM. Let me stomp that down right now. MLM is when somebody recruits another person into a system that they have to pay to get into, and then they make the person up at the top makes money for every single sale that person makes, and they're like downlines and they're recruits, and the whole thing is to like recruit more people so you make more money. I don't do that. I'm not talking bad about it, but it's just what I do is not that. All right, what I do is I find direct companies who would just pay a flat commission for their product. So with that, let's take a look at the actual affiliate marketing system. So on my computer, you can see right here, this is you. All right, you find an affiliate program. An affiliate program, you could even go to Amazon.com, you go to Walmart.com, you go to Macy's. Even Macy's has an affiliate program. Adidas, you do Best Buy. All these like major brands and companies have affiliate programs, because affiliate marketing is actually becoming one of the number 1 ways for marketing, because there's 0 upfront marketing costs, and they only pay marketing expenses when they make money, when they get sales. So this is a very viable system and an opportunity for you. So once you find that affiliate program, you just go ahead and sign up for it, and your whole goal is to find leads for that company and refer them to sales. Now, when that happens, the affiliate program sees that referred sale, that it came from you, and they will send you a commission based off of the agreed commission rate. Now, how does this apply to a passive income? Just like this YouTube video is a piece of real estate. It's digital real estate that is working for me. So I can sit here and I can educate you. I can set up videos on my YouTube channel. I can teach different things. I can talk about different products or review products, and I can put the affiliate link in the description of my YouTube channel. And when people click that link and go through and buy it, yes, I make a commission. And that's affiliate marketing at its best. What you want to do is build a list of people interested in niche products, and you can continually run this automated system that just keeps working day and night for you. And this is what I've been doing full time for 2 years since I got retired from the Air Force, but while I was in the Air Force, I was also doing it for another 4 years. So 6 years total, I've been doing decent with affiliate marketing as a side hustle. Now, how does this system run automatically? I'll go ahead and show you the actual breakdown of the business model. All right, so what you do as an affiliate is you find traffic. Traffic could be things such as YouTube videos, if you have email, Facebook groups or Facebook posts, if you have a decent following on Facebook, TikTok. A lot of people coming in are from TikTok right now, just because TikTok is so easy to go viral and you can build an audience of people who connect with you and you provide real value to them. Don't be spammy, don't be fake, don't be lying. But with TikTok, you can actually create a huge audience fairly quickly. In fact, most of you watching this video are probably coming from my TikTok just because it works so well. Like, honestly, I just started creating content on there and apparently some people liked me. So anyways, we go from TikTok and you send them to an opt-in page, and that's where they'll put in their name and email. And once they opt in, they'll see a bridge page, and the bridge page and the opt-in page are both your pages that you own because you want to collect that lead. And then once you get that, that's when they click this button right here, that call to action, and then that button will direct them to your affiliate link. You put your affiliate link when you sign up for an affiliate program. You get a specific link that you can plug in, and then when people buy through that link, it shows up in your account. All right, so that's the offer that you send them to, and then if they buy from there, they go to the order page, they buy, and then you get a commission. But let's say they don't buy on the first go through, which actually truth is most people will not buy something until they've seen it at least 7 times. All right, so why not have the follow-up system, that automated system I was telling you about? So when they put in their name and email right here on your page, they become a lead. They become your lead, and they go into your autoresponder. For example, my autoresponder that I have is called ActiveCampaign. You can get a 14-day free trial in my description below, just like that. See, affiliate marketing. But honestly, if ActiveCampaign is the best email autoresponder hands down, and I'll make videos explaining why, trust me. So what happens is once that lead goes into your autoresponder, they go into an email sequence. So this email sequence is automated. It just, every day, it'll just send them an email and say, hey, did you check out this product? And then it introduces yourself, kind of builds that relationship, nurtures the lead, and keeps reminding them, hey, you signed up for this because you were interested in this. You put your name and email here because you wanted this, because you were interested in what this offers, all right? And the whole goal is to get them back to this page, and hopefully they'll buy through that sequence. In this sequence, you usually want to be about 10 days, and then you put them into a standard system that you can just send broadcasts or schedule more generic emails to keep them interested and just remind them over time. So with that said, this is affiliate marketing, the very basics of it. This is how you create passive income. Like I was saying, you can create your own product, which is a lot of work and a lot of time to get it set up. You can leverage someone else's time and service, but you have to find those people willing to pay you to do that stuff. Or you could sign up for an affiliate program that pays recurring commissions. And the biggest thing that you want with an affiliate program, a lot of people ask me, how do I sign up for like Amazon affiliate program or anything that's a physical product? And the truth is, if you want to be truly successful and you want to build a truly passive income, you want to use software or informational courses or memberships where people have to pay every single month, because all you have to do, if you can sell $500 worth of business or a membership, a recurring commission every month, in 3 months, you'll have $1,500 in income. So within just a few months, you could actually start building a full-time income by doing the same amount of work and getting the same amount of sales. So that's why I highly recommend the course in the description below, Legendary Marketer 15-Day Challenge. It will literally help you build this entire system and understand all of this stuff in 15 days. And of course, if you ever have any questions, you can come back, leave a comment on any of my videos. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. You could look me up and find me. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just make sure you get that training if you're interested. Hit me up if you have any questions. And don't forget to watch the next video. I'll see you there.